Hi, we are formerly, or still, White Bread Studios, and we decided that we were going to make a video about us watching our first video that came out
2011.
before Badasses.
Yeah, so this was the summer before high school.
And this is our reaction to it, so... It's called a White Bread Valentine's Day. -- Tactics for Valentine's Day. Let's do this.
I like I always make Photoshop stuff. I just picked the first white bread that came up on Google Images. Actually, download that font. That is a custom
Valentine's Day this year, we wanted to get some ladies. The players we are, it shouldn't be hard.
That haircut.
Small arms there.
Yeah, the haircut is quite interesting.
Zoom in. Ooh.
Oh my. This makes me cringe.
Oh my god, the acting.
I'm Max Kane.
My voice.
Math class. I gave you the answer on Wednesday. If you look on page 23.
What is that paper?
Paragraph 2.
My resume and just like bad joke.
Oh,
I lifted weights
The Adventures of Max?
The adventure, yeah, the
lifted
Adventures of
hard.
Max.
I'm a first timer. Okay. What can I say? She was all over me.
Yeah,
That was
and that haircut.
If you go to page.
That's depressing. I still don't know you.
She wishes she knew me. Oh yeah.
Oh no.
It's really great getting in my house. So
Why did we do that?
Is
Was that something funny?
I think all this is supposed to be funny.
This is why you should be my Valentine.
no, I have a boyfriend.
This is actually kind of funny.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Just like cut to
Of
the...
course, this was my idea.
She won't have a boyfriend for long.
Damn.
Oh my god. There's that mop in my head. Oh man.
So, you sure you don't want to be my Valentine?
Oh my god, that posture
Why are
and
you
like
in my
that
house
shirt is
now?
huge.
Like, do I have to get a restraining order?
That's
from this guy?
the cool thing.
Leave. I'm
Yeah.
not being your Valentine, okay?
Yeah, do you have any prune juice?
Why prune juice?
I thought it was funny to have prune juice. I thought that was like it's like, oh, he's weird because he has prune juice.
Prune juice is pretty good.
I've never had prune juice.
Are you sure?
Oh, this is straight up prostitution right
Yeah,
here.
we're promoting breaking into people's houses, harassing women, and prostitution. That's okay though. It's for
So
humor.
is that a no?
The people in the background.
Yeah, there's people in my basement that's like
Let's
hanging
get
out,
this
and we
clear.
need to finish the
money
video.
was for tickets to a movie. I'm not that shallow.
And I developed a New York accent right there.
Look how low key acting I was.
Hire them.
Alright,
So I say, will you be my Valentine? And you respond. You have to say, I would
The
love
camera
to.
changed because we couldn't do one scene.
So,
We have to change the angle.
Max,
Oh, this looks like a dream face.
you don't want to be my Valentine? Mark?
What is that?
That wasn't supposed to be on film.
That wasn't supposed to be on film.
Yeah, okay.
So,
Classic
wanna be a Valentine?
joke.
yeah. I would love to.
The camera look.
That was good. What can we say? Ladies love us.
What can we
Yo,
say?
badass.
Oh, at least we had badasses at the end, promoting our next
That's great.
song.
Yeah, we didn't. Oh yeah, it wasn't released yet.
Yeah,
Badass wasn't released when this came out.
Peace.
Yeah, we get the hot chicks with the nice
I mean, that goes with our theme, right? White bread and badasses.
Yeah.
That's great. Well, let's just explain why we named it White Bread. White Bread was actually a really clever name because white bread means wannabe gangsters, but really not, and
It's
white.
like, yeah, it's basically like white middle class trying to be cool.
So we did stick with that theme, especially with our cursing. We didn't curse.
Yeah, we didn't curse. Originally we were going to, but my mom said no.
We have the dirty version
We do have the
of
dirty
the
version.
song where we say like,
Yeah.
I don't give a flippin'.
Yeah.
Fuck. I'm gonna say it like
Yeah,
really
what
loud.
I don't give a flippin' fuck.
I remember we had like you, me, Sam on it. We had like multiple people say it.
Yeah.
The bad word.
Yeah, it was bad, but yeah, and then my mom said like she didn't want me doing that, so then
Oh
I actually anything that sounds like it's supposed to be a curse, even if Mark's saying it, it's me saying it, because Mark couldn't make it to the second recording.
I couldn't. That's right. And you transposed your voice to make it sound like
Yeah. I also just like tried to mimic Mark's voice.
That's
So
so funny. Alright, so in general, Camera quality's better, screenplay is better, but the comedy is still really shitty and about the same level of bad.
Yeah.
Came a long way.
Yeah. We've improved, I guess.